Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of React JS 19 tutorial series. So this is the continuation of my previous video where we talked about React folder structure. We created this app component, a very basic app component, and in this video I'm going to use multiple HTML element inside this app component. So first I'm gonna delete the div and want to replace it with something useful or meaningful. Let's say a header1 tag. So my page, do one thing, my demo website. All right, so this is my header. Let's see, it is getting reflected. Yes, so now I want to use another paragraph, let's say below this. So how can we do it? So guys, because this return statement can only return a single HTML element. What do I mean by this? Let's say I want to add another HTML element paragraph. As you can see, it already has thrown an error. So why this error is because we can use only a single HTML element or a single HTML parent element. I mean, we can't have these nested HTML element. Either we have to wrap it inside some div or something like this, but it will unnecessarily create this styling conflict. So the better way of doing it, or the right way of doing it is the React fragment. So we can say something like react.fragment, and we can copy, cut and paste. We can write the entire JSX inside a React fragment. So this way it won't throw any errors and it won't create any extra HTML element as well. So if you don't want to use the entire syntax react.fragment, we can also use something like plus sign, minus sign, sorry, greater than and the less than sign. So this is also another way of writing React fragment. So this is all about React fragment. So this is very common in real world projects. So in the next video, we are going to do some more modifications to the app component. And till then, take care. Bye bye.